YouTube family, this is your boy Dr. R from Dr. R TV again, coming back with you with another banger. We are doing Q&A today. We want y'all guys to subscribe and like and leave your comment in the section below and give this video a thumbs up. We're doing the Q&A test, and let me know in the section below, in the comment below, what you think about the question that we not only asked but about the answers that you got, so that if y'all guys like these banger videos or Q&A, we're gonna do it all over again. Let's go.
All right, so we got some questions from some of his subscribers and I'll be reading them out. Okay, so someone said, have you ever met someone famous?
Of course we met someone famous. Of course I met someone famous. I just recently met the guy Van Diesel, where he was in Dominican Republic. They were shooting the new, guess what, family? Fast and the Furious.
Nice.
And I began to call out his name, say, hey, Van Diesel, Van Diesel. And next thing you know, he had security SUV in the front, security SUV in the back, and he lit up the window. But he did give me a peace sign. I guess he wanted to just give me peace, and then he want to talk to your boy. Give your boy opportunity to get an autograph or take a picture or something. Van Diesel, if you watching the video, man, you could at least let a brother got some type of memorabilia picture. Let's roll. Let's get it, family.
All right, so someone said, what was your favorite subject in high school?
In high school, what was my favorite subject? I had no favorite subject. All the favorite subjects seemed like it was just bad. High school was a place that you just trying to get through to get out. So for all those that watching this video, hey, I just try to get through to get out. Maybe y'all had a favorite subject, but I was pretty good at all subjects and very smart. I always made A's and B's, but I never had a favorite subject. My favorite subject, if you would ask me, would be somewhere cooking, eating, having a good time. But that's not a part of school. We must roll on. Let's go, family.
All right, someone said, what is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Al Green, Love and Happiness, because we need a lot of love and happiness in this world today. During the pandemic, we need a lot of love and happiness, and of course, many people might not like it. This is what you get, our woman, our sister, romantic in the mood. Get you some Al Green or some R. Kelly, and you will win the day.
All right. Do you have a tattoo?
No, I don't have a tattoo, but let me know. We might be consider getting one later on in the future. But right now, the COVID is here. I don't think no one want to go around sticking and letting the people poke you with a needle when they already trying to poke you up your nose.
Okay, next question. Someone said, what is the one item you can't leave home without?
Wow, this is a tough one. I cannot leave home without, y'all know what it is, the phone. Either be I can't give you, you say only one. I'll just give you one. But I have more than one. I also got to have my Coca-Cola and my cup of coffee, so the boy can get up in the morning, be lit and ready to go.
All right. Fame or riches?
I'll take the riches. Why would I take the riches? Because you can get fame and not even be popular. I'll take the riches because riches you can continue to develop wealth and build wealth.
All right. Someone said, what other languages do you speak?
Whether you believe it or not, your boy knows Spanish.
All right. Someone said, what age would you love to retire?
Of course, if it was me, I would already retired long time ago, but the age would be probably 20. So then you can just vibe out, enjoy your day, travel the world, do what you want to do, have fun. Even though I did try retired at the age of 27. But I didn't get a chance to get 20, but I did get up to 27.
All right.
Let's go, family. Let's do it.
Next question. How many countries have you been to?
Wow, I've been to several countries. Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, Panama. Now we in Mexico, and we're going to go to Belize and many, many more countries. We're going to do this thing. We're going to tour the world.
All right. Someone said, if you won the lottery, what would you do?
If I won the lottery, what would I do? You know what I would do. I would be flossed out, dripped out from head to toe. I just go all out like a banker should go out.
All right. Someone said, are you religious?
Religious? If I was religious, I would have took the shot. I would have took the jab just to go in the church house. But since I didn't take the jab, you know your boy's not religious. I love having a good time. Religion tells you a lot of places you cannot go, a lot of things you can't do, a lot of people you can't hang around. Of course, you know your boy like to go to Vegas and have himself a good time and travel the world, have a good time. No way I'm going to be religious.
All right, next. How does music matter to you?
Music matters to me because the boy get his groove on and get his moves on. And I know you think I can't move, but you'll get a chance to see me one day to bust a move. My wife said, you can't. My wife smiled at me because she know I got the move, because she know I put the moves on her. That's why she's still here grooving with your boy, because I done put the moves on her, them romantic, them all type of moves, step in the name of love, all that good stuff. She know I got that step on her. Let's go, family.
All right, Dr. TV. Next, we have a question, and it says, if you had to change your first name, what would you change it to?
Man, I probably would get me a Hebrew name, so I could be Hebrew and buy it out and be different. I wouldn't want no French name, no English name, no American name. Just give me a Hebrew name. Let your boy be a Hebrew. That's who I am, a true Hebrew.
Okay. Next question. One thing you know now that you wish you had knew when you was a kid.
I wish I would have knew to start business even earlier, because the sooner the better, the sooner, however you want to put it, you need to start to learn business earlier. Even while you get ready, even in middle school, start something, do something, because anything you put your hand to diligent will cause it to prosper.
All right. Someone said pick one, Coke or Pepsi.
Oh, that's a tough decision, but you know your boy love the Coke, man. I'm telling you, you can take me from Dominican, you can take me to Mexico, you can take me to Nicaragua, you can take me to Panama, you can take me to Costa Rica. I'm gonna find some way to get my hand, like they say in Spanish, on a Coca-Cola.
All right, next. Someone said, how did you move from the U.S. to Dominican Republic?
I just gotta remove. Yeah, I just gotta remove. You just gotta get up and move. Just pack your luggage, take your bag, whatever you got. If you just got a backpack, just take your stuff and just move. Just move. But anyway, your boy got tips on the move. We gonna shoot a video of that next, if not next, soon here to give you tips on how to get things in order to move out of the country.
All right. Someone asked, where are you from?
I am from. Oh, okay. Where I'm from? I'm from Mississippi. Mississippi, the South, baby, the Southern. You know how we do it. You know how we do it. For all the people that from the South, rock with your boy, rock with DR, and rock with who? Dr. RTV.
Last question. All right, so someone said, where did you grow up?
I grew up, where did I grow up? I grew up in the South in Mississippi, but guess what? I have toured the world. Young man from Mississippi achieving great things. This is your boy, Dr. RTV. Subscribe, like, and leave your comment in the section below because we going somewhere. This is our Q&A for all those that want to see more of this and want more of this great vibe. Subscribe. Leave your comment in the section below. Hit that notification bell so that you can get the latest and greatest updated content. And if you got any question, leave them in the comments in the section below. But don't forget, go to Genuine Lady Lifestyle and subscribe there. Go to B&B and subscribe there because they got dope and lit content as well. Check out your boy Patreon account. Check out your boy Cash App account. If you decide to donate, whatever you decide to do, if it's even just 1 cent, $1, your boy will be grateful to help us continue to put out this dope content and travel your world. And to then, subscribe and like I said once again, and leave your comment in the section below. Bye-bye, YouTube, and peace.